What can you do in 5 minutes? Provided that you've got only call feature, OPPO's latest smartphone, the OPPO F9, can give you 2 hours of talk time from a 5-minute charging time. Just a few days ago, OPPO officially launched its newest mid-range contender, and from what it offers, this phone's shaping up to be their best one yet. What's up guys, this is Gian of Gadget Pilipinas, and join us as we unbox the OPPO F9. Now onto the phone itself, the F9 has a 6.3-inch display with full HD plus resolution. Perhaps one of the most noticeable changes is its redesigned notch, which now in the shape of a water drop and smaller. OPPO has also added a diamond-like pattern to the glossy rear panel, which responds beautifully when hit by light from the right angle. There are also new color options. The one we have here is in sunrise red, but you can also get it in twilight blue and soon in starry purple. The volume rocker is located on the left side of the device along with a triple slot tray, while the power button is on the opposite side. The F9 runs on the same Helio P60 processor on the F7, but now with 6GB of RAM and a 64GB of internal storage, expandable with a micro SD card. Another notable change in the F9 is its AI-assisted dual rear camera system composed of a 16-megapixel main sensor and now paired with a secondary 2-megapixel sensor for depth sensing. The 25-megapixel selfie camera still features AI-assisted beautification. The device runs on ColorOS 5.2, which still offers the nifty goodies such as Face Unlock and Clone apps. There's also a new feature called Smart Bar, which lets you reply to messages, transfer files and more, all while playing a game or watching a video. The UI looks more polished and livelier than before. It's also very responsive and fluid as far as navigation is concerned. The F9 houses a slightly larger 3500 mAh battery compared to the F7, and now has something that's not commonly found on the company's mid-range devices, VOOC Flash Charge. OPPO claims that this fast charging technology can give you 2 hours of talk time with just 5 minutes of charging. Is that just marketing stuff? We'll see in our full review. Overall, we think that OPPO is actually going in the right direction here. That's it for our unboxing of the OPPO F9. Do stay tuned to Gadget Pilipinas for our full review. Again, this is Gian and thank you for watching.